Hi, this is Sonia Mez with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy. And today I want to show you some things that I put outside on our deck for the children to play with in our home daycare. I brought out this play rug with some little people vehicles. I brought out a basket of plastic, larger size Duplo blocks. I left the singles inside. I brought out our little tyke barbecue grill with a matching set of Melissa and Doug and a variety of plastic barbecue foods, and have a little one that's collecting things she wants on the inside to take out. So those are what she's wanting to take outside. I have the art easel with our gigantic chalk I got around 4th of July. I have a little basket of foam numbers from a puzzle, and I'm not sure if all of the numbers are here, but this is an idea you can use with those Dollar Tree foam puzzles. You don't have to just use them as a puzzle. You could put this in the sandbox or your sensory bin or all kinds of things. We played with our water table yesterday, and I've drained that partly this last night and more this morning, and setting that aside for this morning. I'm only bringing out as much plastic and foam as I can. So they're deciding to bring the barbecue set over to the picnic table. Any of my wooden toys, such as this car and something like this rug, I bring in and out. I do not leave this outside for the bad weather to get a hold of it. I recently saw a video with an entire classroom that appears to be uncovered, like no roof over it, and they have all of their particle board style uh, dramatic play outside, an entire classroom, and their climate might be able to handle that, but mine is not. At any moment, we can have a storm roll up. We're in Virginia, and like even this morning, it's very, very humid outside, so there's a lot of moisture, and that would just ruin our equipment and our furniture. So something like this, I would not take in and out. Um, or I would not leave out. I would bring it in and bring it out only if I know that the weather's going to be nice and I can do it quickly and on my own. But I would not have a lot of pieces like this outside uncovered. That's what's great about this little people set. Any of the step 2 or the little tyke sets is great when it's plastic and can be taken in and out. If you leave your equipment like this outside, your furniture that's plastic, you'll need a power washer to wash it off because it will collect mildew and dirt. Now, I was recently given this sensory table, but it has a particle board top on it. And if I were to take this outside, I would need to bring it in and out as well, keep it covered, or have it under a covered porch. I would not be able to leave this lid out because it's particle board. So some of my staples are a couple of houses, some writing toys. There's another house, and I bring in and out the easel. I have a little child-size picnic table, a little infant swing, some vehicles, a sandbox, and I store my sand toys in a laundry basket with lots of holes, and that way the water can easily drain out. Now the children tend to toss toys over the deck since it doesn't have a screen. And so I have to limit how many small toys that can be put through those slats or underneath that they can bring out so that I can monitor them. If we start to get too many, then I can't monitor them and they throw them overboard. So one thing about cleanup is use things that are open top so you and the children can just toss it in quickly, and it's a lot easier for cleanup. Part of our staples outside are a hula hoop that I keep behind the love seat. Frisbees, a ball, and bubbles are another staple. If you find this information helpful, like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Have a great week.